Hello class and welcome to week 8 of English 101 Online. For this week in English 101 Online, you'll be working on the Criminal Justice module. For short, we call it the CRJS module. For this module, you'll be answering some of the essential questions, which are, what are the problems with the criminal justice system? What reform is needed to improve the U.S. criminal justice system? And finally, why is the criminal justice system failing, according to the articles that you'll be reading? The articles that you'll be reading this week are Trial by Fire, and another is What Death Penalty Opponents Don't Get, and there's a video by Stevenson called We Need to Talk About an Injustice. So after reading the articles and watching the video, I'd like you to begin the Lumen summarizing and paraphrasing practice, which is related to what you'll be reading this week. So you'll be summarizing, paraphrasing source material. That's the practice. Choose one source or one chapter from the assigned reading. Summarize the author's message by paraphrasing and quoting when appropriate. Use MLA-style in-text citations for direct quotes only. And then, of course, create an MLA-style works cited page to support the sources that you have used. Of course, you'll be doing this after doing the readings that you have to do for this week. Later in the week, you will be working on the CRJS Week 1 discussion post. It's a critical analysis to the articles that you have read and the video you've watched. So for this discussion post, respond to the prompt in 2 to 3 paragraphs. Please, no bullet points. Please organize your paragraphs by topic and not simply by addressing the questions in order. And of course, use MLA in-text citations. So here's the prompt. For this week, you're learning about the different perspectives on the judicial system regarding the death penalty. Choose one of the sources and summarize the author and/or speaker's message by paraphrasing source material and citing the source using MLA guidelines. Then respond to the following questions about your responses to the source. How do you connect with this, with what the author is saying? How did this information extend your thinking about the subject? And of course, finally, what challenges do you have about it? Please make sure to organize your ideas in paragraph form and then include at least one quotation and or paragraph to support your point. And of course, include an MLA style in-text citation and a works cited page. And then, of course, respond to your peers, at least 2 peers. So that is what is expected for this week. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.